This is quiz 2.07. This is example for questions 1 and 2. So which property justifies each statement? So if x equals -3, then x equals +3 equals 0. So what did they do to both sides of this equation? They added 3 on both sides, giving us 0 and x plus 3. So that is the addition property of equality. All right. Next, we have 3x equals 12, then x equals 4. We divide both sides by 3, giving us x equals 4. That is the division property of equality. All right, we have x equals y minus 5, and y minus 5 equals 9. Then x equals 9. So x equals y minus 5, and 9 equals y minus 5. They both equal the same thing, so they're equal to each other. This is the transitive property. All right, if 9 equals x minus 2, then x minus 2 equals 9. This is the symmetric property. That just means that either way they still equal to each other. And nothing changes on this one. X minus 4 equals x minus 4. That's the reflexive.